Hello guys! What is basis rail? I repeatedly mentioned it as well as various accessories compatible with basis. This video will be all about basis as a standard of rail interface systems. I'll tell about its characteristics, advantages, how to mount accessories on basis rail and how it corresponds with other standards. My name is Anastasia. Basis rail was designed by Zenitco, by our company, as a standard of rail interface systems for installation of various accessories on rifle. For example, on this AK there is Sport 4 kit installed. Sport 4 kit has basis rails on sides and on the bottom. For example, on this exact rifle I installed following accessories compatible with basis: RL1 hand stopper and PN2 basis rail covers, FP3 wire holders, Picatinny rail for installation of a flashlight, tactical switch and A3 sling mount. Zenitco has different handguards with basis rails that are handguards with letters L and U in their names, for example B10L that I'm holding right now, also sport kits, also Joker kits and also one more kit that will be released soon, Leader kit, but it deserves a separate video. Let's look at basis rail. Basis is a deepened rail with oval or round openings on it for installation of Picatinny rails, grips, switches and other accessories compatible with basis. I did a video about that. I will leave a link in the description, and I like to point here that Zenitco is constantly working on new designs of new products compatible with basis. So I guess that soon I'll make one more video about new products for basis rail. A very important word here is deepened. I mean that this part is deeper and this part is higher, so it has these two guides on two sides. Their purpose is to eliminate rotation. I place an accessory and there is no rotation because of those two guides, so no rotation. An accessory is installed either by a screw or by oval mount or by plate mount. This mount does not allow an accessory move to the back and to the front, so no movement in this direction, no rotation. Basis rail ensures certainty and repeatability of positioning of an accessory on the rail. That is a very reliable standard. Ways of installation. Plate mount consists of M5 by 9 screw and a plate. A screw is located here and a plate is located on the other side of the handguard. Screw goes into the plate, very easy. Oval mount consists of two parts. This part is located here. An oval is screwed on the other side, and note that you should not screw at full length. You should leave some space for rotation because it needs to turn by 90 degrees. I put an oval into an oval opening. I make sure that those guides are holding the rail. I take a screwdriver and now observe an oval. It will rotate like this. Done. It is installed. There was actually one more way to install this rail on this exact place. That is the third way of installation. If you use an upper handguard, for example, I will use B19N upper handguard. It is connected to the handguard with 4 M5 by 7 screws. That is a shorter screw. You'll need a longer screw here because there is more space. You may take it from the plate mount, M5 by 9 screw, and you just use the screw to combine the handguard both with the upper handguard and with an accessory for basis rail. That's the third way of installation. Basis rail eliminates rotation and displacement. It provides repeatability of position of accessories on the rail. It holds zero. Another rail interface system that copes with these tasks really well is Picatinny rail. Picatinny is a very good and reliable standard, and I would like to underline here that Basis rail does not deny Picatinny. They are not alternatives to each other. They are good additions that should go hand in hand with each other. Picatinny rail is wider and bigger. Basis rail is narrower and smaller, so Basis rail allows you to have Picatinny not at the whole length of the handguard, but in those exact places where you need it. And that reduces weight, that reduces sizes. Concerning other rail interface systems that does not eliminate rotation, Basis completely crosses them out because it holds zero and they don't. So a popular question whether Zenitco is going to implement those rail interface system in Zenitco products, the answer is no. We have Basis. Handguards with Basis rails can be ordered in our online store en.zenitco.ru or in partner stores. See the list of official partners on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. Press the like button if you like the video, follow our channel and write your questions in comment section. There are a lot of new products that are going to be released soon, so stay with us and see you soon. Goodbye.